very briefly, just to mention another important attack, which is the cross-site scripting attack. This happens when an application stores some text, which another user is then going to display inside their browser, where it will be executed as part of displaying that script. For example, a newspaper website that has a comment facility underneath it, a Cyberliving website that has a comment facility underneath the lectures. You get to type in whatever you like. If, as part of that, you choose to type in some malicious script, then if the software that is managing that site and displaying that information and storing it and then displaying it, then playing it back, doesn't sanitize that, doesn't check to make sure that it doesn't contain script, then what happens is that your malicious script will be displayed and executed by anybody who actually looks at that comment or reads or looks at your profile, if it's a profile on a social media site, for example. So you can very easily get lots of people infected with some malicious code by having it stored on a popular site that they go to and then look at this malicious code. And this is the process. The attacker sets a trap, enters some malicious script into a web page. It gets stored. If the application has got a cross-site scripting vulnerability, so that it's stored and then sent back without actually having been sanitized, it runs inside the victim's browser, which gives it full access to the cookies on the browser, which actually contain a lot of useful information. In particular, there's a session cookie which enables you, if you intercept that, in many applications, it means that you can take over the active session that user is running. If you've got access to the cookie and you know the website that they're talking to, then you can simply start running their session and take over their session by using the same cookie to communicate to the website, because the protocols, the handshake that goes on between the user's browser and the remote website, quite often those protocols don't maintain any particular memory other than the information about this cookie, and therefore it is quite easy to pretend that you are the other person. So having access inside somebody's browser to those cookies is actually quite a powerful attack mechanism.